So make sure you are clicking on the current year of the tax return option with the home icon at the top left of the screen, and then hit the tax profile button below it and click on your tax profile. Over here, you may scroll down and select which income tax slips or forms that's suitable for your needs. So for example, I'm gonna add my own business income, so I need to add the self-employment income. To do that, just scroll down, then do a check mark on the self-employment income option and hit the continue button. You may have to answer some questions again regarding your taxes info. Just remember to pay attention for each TurboTax question and choices, because usually it will relate it to your new income tax slips. And until you reach this page again, your home page, you will see this self-employment option that just appear. Basically, when you add a new type of income, it will appear over here below the income option, or if you do not see below the income button, you might then click on the income option and you may see the new slips or forms right here. Either way, just click on the type of income that you just added and you may then start entering your new income tax slips or forms. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.